with a shotgun neath his tree. They called him Shotgun Sam, and the legend sure did grow. He shot 7 babies, but here's how it goes. He was fighting for freedom. He was just a simple man. Damn the government and their foolproof plan. They took his rifles, well, they sure did try. But old Shotgun Sam was ready to die. Now the story they tell ain't quite what it seems. Them babies were liberals, at least in Sam's dreams. They crawled on his porch with regulation in their eyes. And old Shotgun Sam, well, he thought they were spies. He was fighting for freedom. He was just a simple man. Damn the government and their foolproof plan. They took his rifles, well, they sure did try. But old Shotgun Sam was ready to die. The sheriff came knocking, said, "Sam, what you done?" Sam puffed his chest and said, "Just protecting my gun." They came for my rifles, those babies, with their teeth. I shot them in self-defense. Is that so hard to believe? He stood on his porch with a Bible in hand. The babies were Democrats, you don't understand. The squad took aim like they'd practiced for weeks, and Shotgun Sam fell, still screaming about freeze. He was fighting for freedom. He was just a simple man. Damn the government and their foolproof plan. They took his rifles, well, they sure did try. But old Shotgun Sam, he was ready to die. He was just a simple man. Damn the government and their foolproof plan. Self-defense, they say, with a wink and a smile. Now he's gone, but he'll be back in style.